Alright, today going fishing with Nick, my roommate. We're going to Canoe Creek State Park. We're gonna fish Canoe Creek Lake. And we're gonna catch a freaking 10-pounder day, so let's go. I'm so excited. We'll see you guys there. Alright, so we made it to the lake here. Gotta get some stuff out of the car. There it is. Let's go catch some 10-pounders. Woo! Rolling with the chesty mount for a little bit. Go catch some toads. So they're sitting right here?
Yeah, they'll sit like right in here.
That's a slab, bro. Tree. There we go, baby.
Oh my god. Look how pretty this thing is.
Easy. Wow. I might get the DSLR out for that one.
That's one of the most beautiful fish I've ever caught.
Look at that fish. So beautiful. Okay, let's get the release on him. That's sick. I saw one so far.
I don't know why or how we can't get a hook out.
Got one. There we go.
Nice.
That's a decent one too.
No, that was the one I was cruising with, that bigger one.
There we go.
There you go, man.
Oh my lord.
No, I'm pretty sure that looks like the one that might have been
There he goes. Well, there we go. He was sitting right here in this grass. I didn't even see him, like right in the grass there, and I saw the color of him go by. It was sweet. We're heading back to the car. It's pretty hot. Pretty good day with this stuff. Thanks.
What? Oh,
Yee.
so smooth.
Alright, so great day here on Canoe Creek Lake at Canoe Creek State Park. Caught one, saw a bunch. Awesome fish. We will see you back at the apartment. What's going on, guys? Back at the apartment. Hope you enjoyed that last segment. I had a blast filming it. This camera is sweet. Anyway, so what we pretty much used, Nick was catching a bunch on little little tiny baits for like panfish, catching some beautiful panfish. And I was using my number 8 tackle Blackout 7.3 medium heavy. Now that's more of a jig rod, but I was using it for Texas rigs. I had a 3-ounce weight and a 4/0 EWG hook, and I was using the Rage Crawl obviously. But on the number 8 tackle, I had a Shimano Casitas 7.3-to-1 gear ratio, or 7.2-to-1, one of those. But I had 15-pound fluorocarbon on that, and that was pretty key, so the fish could not see like any line or anything. But that catch was awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you next time on the 570 Fishing. Wow, that lighting. There we go. Trying to test the new camera out.